Ever wondered how your skin feels dry and tired after spending hours in air-conditioned rooms, only to react the moment you step outside? For many of us living outside of our countries, in different climatic conditions, managing work, kids, and a busy home without any help, not to mention the time-consuming complex Indian cooking that keeps us on our toes, it often feels our skin is caught between two very different worlds. So here is the real question. Can a simple skincare routine keep up with all this daily stress and still give you that fresh, glowing skin you deserve? Today, I'm sharing a straightforward 3-step skincare method that's inspired by a luxury skincare brand. And no, you don't need fancy, high-end, expensive products. I'm using my own trusted products. You can use yours. No complicated steps, no pricey products, just honest results. And trust me, you will be amazed at how much better your skin can feel when you give it the care it truly needs. So starting with step 1, which is also called polish in the original luxury skincare method. It's basically exfoliate. The original luxury method actually recommends doing it twice a day, morning and night. But if you're just starting out, I will recommend keep it simple. Start with once a day, preferably at night. Choose a gentle exfoliator that's specifically formulated for your skin type, whether that's oily, dry, or sensitive. That's really important. This step helps remove dead skin cells and build up, making your skin feel instantly smoother and look more radiant. I've been doing this myself lately. When I first heard about this, it did not make any sense to me. But since this luxury skincare method is very popular and is one of their best sellers, I thought why not give it a shot. And honestly, doing this, my skin does feel different. Within just a few days, I noticed my skin's texture feel and look more smooth. It felt softer, fresher, and way more responsive to the other products I used afterwards. I've tried this method so far with 2 different exfoliators. One is this one from Ives and the other one was from Asepxia. It was meant for oily, acne-prone skin. It's finished now. I threw the package and this is the one just for your reference. Moving on to step 2, cleanse. Yes, so you exfoliate first and cleanse second. After exfoliating, it's time to cleanse. This helps remove everything that's been loosened from your skin, dead skin, dirt, oil, and also helps reset your skin's pH. That's important, especially if you're living in hard water areas or dry, colder climates. Use a gentle, hydrating cleanser, not something harsh or stripping. It should clean without leaving your face tight or dry. I'm using here the Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. Moving on to step 3, nourish. This is the last step to nourish your skin with a serum or a moisturizer that fits your skin's needs. Think peptides, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, or if you're looking for anti-aging benefits, go for retinol, also if your skin tolerates it. This is where the magic happens. You're feeding your skin nutrients and locking in moisture so it can repair and regenerate. From here onwards, it's up to you. If you want to keep it simple, go for your favorite moisturizer and you're done. But if you want to level up, you can add in a few serums that have targeted benefits and seal everything with a thick moisturizer, whatever works for you. Now let's get down to understanding why this method works. This method isn't just about skincare, it's about crafting a system that actually works in a busy life. No 10 steps routine, just 3. Exfoliate, cleanse, nourish. It works because it follows your skin's natural regenerative cycle, which slows down as we age. And supporting that cycle helps you give visible results. Better texture, more elasticity, and a natural glow. And there is research to back it up. Studies show that regular exfoliation and proper hydration can significantly increase collagen density and skin thickness over time. And I'm telling you, even though I'm using my own products, not the luxury products, this method of exfoliation first and cleansing later does feel different. It feels like my skin looks more fresh, like every ingredient has penetrated better. So who is this for? If you're working mother, maybe running to your job, cooking that may take a lot of your time, helping your kids with homework, especially when it comes to a different language altogether, you already have so much stress in your life, I think this one is perfect for you. This 3-step routine is fast, intentional, and effective. You don't need to use luxury products. Just stick to the method and use what works for your skin and your budget. Let me know in the comments if you've heard about the 3-step Lancer skincare method, or if you haven't tried it, you're going to try this with your own budget products. I'm pretty sure both ways it's gonna work. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you found this video helpful. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.